Imagine saving an image, and each time you do, you get $100. You can do this again and again and earn tons of money. Want to learn more? Then you should watch this video. We will show you a very simple method that you can do to earn money. All you have to do is download GIFs on this specific website, and you can easily earn money. No need to complicate things, all you have to do is follow our step-by-step guide and you can do this too. This method that we will show you is 100% free, no need for small payments or any initial investments, and you can do this right away. This is available worldwide, so wherever you are, you can do this. All you need is your mobile phone or computer to get started. And most of all, this method does not require any specific skills or prior experience. Even a beginner can do this right away and earn lots and lots of money. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process of how to do this and earn money online. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start earning. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now, what we're going to do today is make money using GIFs. Before we dive in right to how we do this method, we first need to understand what a GIF is. A GIF is a lossless format for image files that supports both animated and static images. Basically, it's an animated image that you can save and share with everyone. To better understand what GIFs are, we can go to Google Images and look for examples of GIFs. For example, when we click this image right here, we can see that the image is animated. It's not an actual video, there is no audio playing in the background. It is just an animated image that is looped. These type of images are popular on the internet. You can see people sharing them on posts, using them to comment on articles, or even use them to express how they feel. There are tons of GIFs on the internet. If we go to the website called giphy.com, we can see lots of people uploading GIFs here daily. This is a hub for GIFs. Now you can browse this website to find different types of GIFs perfect for different types of situations. You can see trending GIFs as of today, and if you scroll down some more, you will see thousands and thousands of GIFs. Now you might be wondering, will we be creating our own GIFs and make money out of them? The answer is no. What we will be doing today is getting some GIFs on this website and use it to earn money. Imagine earning $600 with just one GIF. So watch till the end of this video to find out how. So in Giphy, we can see a search bar right here. If you do not like the GIFs on this website, we can also get some from Google Images. All we have to do is a quick Google search for follower count. And when we go to Google Image Search, we can see here a bunch of GIFs for increasing follower count. Now we just choose one that we like and save it on our device. The next website we will be using is Aclincher.com. Aclincher is a website that offers users to help grow their social media platform through their very own social media management platform. This service that they offer helps franchise, small or medium businesses, enterprises, agencies, and regular people grow their social media account. Aclincher manages their social media accounts for them and even helps them gain more and more followers and exposure. They also help these businesses monetize their social media accounts so that they can earn more money. The social media management platform of Aclincher is already integrated to the well-known social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Some of the features of Aclincher's platform are publishing and scheduling posts. It will automatically schedule posts to multiple social media networks, profiles, and pages. Visual calendar. It helps businesses plan, create, and schedule content in one visual calendar. Auto post with smart cues. It helps them publish with smart cues to save time and boost social media traffic. Social media campaigns. This platform will add and tag posts to campaign and analyze the results of the campaign. These are some of the features that can help people who use their platform to help boost their social media accounts. If you want to know more about the features, you can just click on the Features tab on the upper section of the website and just scroll down to learn all the features. Now that is out of the way, what we're going to do here is become an affiliate. If we go back to the main page and scroll down to the bottom, under the Aclincher section, there is an option for partner or affiliate. All we have to do now is click the option and we will be redirected to this page. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So why choose to become an affiliate of Aclincher? In 2020, over 3.6 billion were using social media worldwide. That is almost half the population. And in 2025, it is said to increase to almost 4.41 billion users. So if you become an affiliate now, in the future, more and more companies will advertise using social media, and you as an affiliate can help them by introducing to this website. Referring people and companies will be endless since more and more people and companies will use social media each day. You will also get rewarded for each successful referral. As an affiliate, you can earn up to $100 just by referring people. So imagine referring 3 people, and that is an easy $300 in your bank account. Now, if you can provide the following information, you can register as an affiliate now. All you have to do is click the Apply Here button, and you just need to complete this form. You put your email address, first name, last name, website, company name, and company number. For the website, you can use your Facebook account or any social media platform that you use. For a company name and number, you can just leave this blank since you will be using the account personally. Now, the next information that you need to fill in is your country. So just choose the country that you are in, your address, phone number, and a password, and you're good to go. Just click on the sign up button and you are now an affiliate. Now, we will show you a website where you can share your affiliate link and attract people with the GIF you downloaded earlier. All you need to do is watch this video till the end to find out how. So back to the video, the next website we will be using is Imgur.com. Imgur is a website where you can post and share a bunch of pictures of GIF and add captions to it. What we're going to do is post the GIF that we downloaded earlier with your affiliate link. Imgur has almost 260 million monthly visits, so this is a perfect website to share your GIF and your affiliate link. But before we can do that, we need to create an account in Imgur. To do this, it's super easy. All you have to do is click the sign up button right here and fill up this form. Once you fill up this form, you can now upload the pictures. So to do that, just click on the new post button in the upper left section, and now you can upload the GIF that you downloaded. You can add a title to your uploaded GIF and some captions. We will now show you tips and tricks on how you can make people look at your uploaded GIF in Imgur and visit your affiliate link, so watch carefully. First, we need an eye-catching title. Your title needs to attract people, so something like this will do. But if you have a more eye-catching title, you can use that too. Then for the caption, you will need to put your affiliate link. When putting your affiliate link, you need to create interesting captions. You can add a short template explaining the service that Aclincher has to offer. And at the end of your caption, you can add your affiliate link. Create an attractive caption and watch as people click your post and visit your affiliate link. For every person that you refer, you get $100. You can copy the short template that we made just by pausing this video. You can edit some of the words here or add your own words to this template to make it more appealing. When 3 people click your link, you get $300. And when 10 people click, you get $1,000. The more people that click your link, the more money you earn. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.